Hello and welcome to the first tutorial in Java. Guys, this is my first time I'm teaching Java programming language. If I do any mistake, so let me know and I will appreciate it. Those of you who have already have knowledge about the Java programming language, you will be better by following my clips. And those of you who have never written a Java programming code, so don't worry, we will go through each point step by step, and believe me, after a few tutorials you will have the basic knowledge of the programming language and you can write a basic programming language. So just follow me. Before I start the tutorial, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. There are different platforms to write Java code, which is Eclipse, one of them, the Visual Studio Codes in another platform where you can write your Java programming, but I prefer Eclipse because it's a little bit easier. So let's start with downloading. Open your web browser. Write download Eclipse for if you have Mac, write for Mac. If you have Windows, write Windows. I have Mac, so definitely I'm going for Mac. Here you can see down Eclipse download. Get Eclipse, press here and download. Here we go. It takes a few minutes and here is it. Here you see the download process is completed. So press here. Here pop up a new window and Eclipse installer. So press on it, open, and you can see different version of Eclipse, but the one we are going to work with is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So press on it and download it. Because I have already downloaded the Eclipse, so I don't need to download it again. And when you downloaded the Eclipse, a map will pop up somewhere in your directories. Just find the map. I have it here in desktop. If you press on it, you'll see the Eclipse here. Press on it here, or I have it like in here. I click here. Here pop up Eclipse window. For those of you who have downloaded the Eclipse for the first time, you see this window is empty, where you can create your different projects, and in each project you can create your different classes. So we can go and create a new Java project. Go to the file, new Java project, give name to your project, my first Java project, and press finish. Here you see the project you have created, my first Java project. So we cannot write our code now, but we need to create a class inside of this project to be able to write Java code. So go to your my first project, right click, new, and back. class. Here you see source folder. The class that you want to create will locate it in this project. So we give a name to this class. Remember, a class always starts with a capital letter. So I write my first class and add this method public static void main to my class. By adding this method to my class, the class will be runnable. Without this method, we cannot run our class. So press on finish. Here we go. Here is your first class in Java that we have created together. You see, a class in Java starts with public and then class, which defined for the Java that it's a class and the class name. Here the method which we added to our class, public static void main, strings, args, and each class and methods in Java has this curly breaks. So remember, this is very important. If you don't have it, the Java will complain. So I would like that the program print something to me in this terminal. So in Java there is a class which is called system, and this class has different methods. I would like to call a method which can print out something for me. So the method is called print out point print line parenthesis, and if I want that the program print a sentence for me or something here, so I write inside the double quotation, this is my first Java class, and end with semicolons. So now I can run the program and see the result. Here we go. This is my first Java class, which we have written here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.